Hey, my Eco Tuesday fam! Happy New Year! Welcome back to another episode of Eco Tuesday, and today I'm gonna do a video on my updated beets. And as you can see, they have been growing so lovely. In this video, I am gonna transplant these beets, and you're gonna see how much they have grown. So these are beetroot suckers, and I'm gonna transplant them today into my raised bed. I've already done some yesterday just to try out the soil and how well they will cope, and they're doing pretty well. So I'll be transplanting some of these beetroot suckers into the raised bed. So the roots, they go pretty deep, so I'm gonna try and pull out as deep as I can. I really do need some garden utensil. It would serve me really good right here, because all I'm using is a stick to get to the root of these beet seedlings.
It's just me and my plants. Sometimes I water them. Sometimes I walk around the yard and show my daughter them. It's just me and my plants. I'm in the gardening.
Are you guys hearing that beautiful sound in the background of the birds chirping? That is why I like to plant so much, because you get in touch with nature. It's so unbelievable. So you'll understand what I mean by I need to get some gardening tools, because my stick just broke, and now I'm gonna have to find another stick to get out these delicate seedlings out of this container. But I'll definitely go and buy some tool this weekend. Hopefully I can make a video of me purchasing those videos. I'm really shy when it comes to videoing in public, but I'll try my best to do a video of the gardening tools that I'll be purchasing. 1 minute you're young, hip, and carefree. The next minute you're photographing vegetables in your garden. I have to handle them like a baby because they're so delicate. So I will be making some trench, if you call it that, about 1 inch. This is a row in which I'm going to plant these seedlings. I'm going to put them in one by one, and I'm going to space them about probably about 5 centimeters from each other. So, or probably 10. So I do this first, make the trench, and then place the seedlings in each of them one by one. Okay, so this is the first one, but it is broken, so I might have to throw this away, and I'm gonna use another one. Yeah, this looks perfect. So I'm gonna plant this, the first one, into the row that I've dug 1 inch. Right, so you're gonna do that and space them out from each other. You know, sometimes I wish I'd started planting a little earlier, as in younger, because I've found that it gives me joy, it brings me joy just to see the things flourish as much as I've seen what I've grown flourish, right? It kind of gives me some peace of mine whenever I'm doing this. It's like there's no one else around me. It's just me and these plants. I wish I did it a little younger, or a little earlier on in my years, although I'm still young. But you know what I'm talking about, plant lovers, right? It gives you such peace, it gives you such calm. Nothing else around you matter when you're planting. Trust me. And if you're watching this and you have not planted anything yet, trust me. Let me tell you, if you start planting something and you are feeling stressed before, I can tell you planting something will de-stress you. I can guarantee that, right? And make it your goal for 2023 to plant something, really, because sooner or later you're gonna need it. I'm telling you, trust me, the way things are going these days, I told somebody that in a few years from now you're gonna see why I was planting, right? Because a lot of stuff is being heightened, like in price, but with especially food, right? And if you can plant your own, if you can be independent like that, I mean, you wouldn't have any worries with food, right? So I'm gonna try my best to plant like every single thing, because it's joyful, it brings me joy, it makes you stress free. And let me just repeat this, if you are not planting something, I am guaranteeing you that if you start planting something, it may not be something to eat, maybe a flower, it's gonna make you be stress free. I am telling you, right? So make it your goal that 2023 you are gonna plant something. And when you do, you can always share with me. I'm on Instagram at Plant Up Your Backyard. And you can follow me. You can tag me into what you have posted if you're going to start planting for the first time for 2023. I'll leave that link in the description box below. And yeah, Plant Up Your Backyard. That's my main Instagram app. It's just plants, all that I've done since I've started my backyard gardening. So yeah, you can do that. Make that your goal for 2023. You can post it and tag me into what you have planted. And let this be our little community, because as I said before in my other videos, I am doing these videos to benefit somebody. It's not about getting 50 million subscribers and all that. All that is into it too, but really and truly, I want somebody to benefit from these videos that I'm making. It comes more natural to me to make these videos because it's something that I love. So it's no burden to me making these videos, because yeah, it's something that I love. So get planting. So I've fast forwarded a little bit and I'm finished with the planting, and I started watering them, give them some little moisture. So this is it, guys. I've done the transplanting of my beetroots, and you're gonna see how they have transplanted and grow so beautifully. So these are the beets a couple days in, and as soon as I start putting on the bigger leaves, I realize that they are being eaten by something, right? And sometimes when I go, I realize that they leave back mess on the leaf. But a friend of mine that I gave some of the beet seeds told me to use soap water. That's soap powder, and spray them on the plants or wash the plants. This is an update on my beets. They are not doing so well when it comes to the bugs, because they're eating off all my leaves. They're eating my leaves so much, but they are growing so much that I'm so proud of myself. This is the first time I'm planting beets, by the way, and they are looking lovely. These one over here, they are looking so vibrant, so I don't even know. But these ones over here, they're coming, but they're struggling very much. But look at this giant over here. And guys, let me just say, this is my raised bed. Remember that raised bed video I did? This is it. And those seedlings, no, not seedlings, those seeds that I planted. So this was one of the seeds that I planted, beets, right? So I'd made a raised bed for the beets. I have some yellow bell peppers that I need to plant out, and I need to make another raised bed over there. I started, but I don't have any soil, so I stopped. But I'll make another raised bed. I'll do a video on that. But in the meantime, look at these babies. Look at these babies. So I got these seeds from a patient, and he's from way down in the parish. So I got these seeds as a gift from a patient, and I have more. I gave my neighbor some of the seeds. I gave one of my co-workers the seeds, and the results, I'm so jealous of him because he have more soil quality than me. But however, I am grateful and I'm so happy for him. But mine, they're coming very lovely. I have been using my co-workers' advice on using soap water, right? Powdered soap water, to get rid of the worms that are eating my beets. And they have worked so far, right? They still have a little hole in them, but they have worked. And look at this. Look at these leaves, right? They are beautiful, right? They are lovely. And I'm just loving this part of the bed. Guys, your time is coming. I am not done with you guys, but take a page out of these guys' books. So I will give you another update as soon as they start putting out their little fruits, right? Or even before that, right? I'll give you another update on this side of the bed, because they are not doing, they are doing well. They're coming because of the chemical that I use, which is the soap water for pest control. So soon they look like these guys, right? So this is Eco Tuesdays, and this is an update on my beets. See you soon.